Hi guys, I'm going to give you a room tour of cabin 9690. It's an aft cabin corner on the 9th deck. So let's go check it out. Okay, as you open the door, on the left side you have your closet space. Plenty of hangers. You've got some shelf space on the other side, perfect for putting bags. On the bottom there you've got your life vest. And as always, on the door you've got your muster station. Ours is D26 on deck 4. You've got a light switch at the very beginning here. Breakfast menus. And then over here you have the bathroom. It is a typical Royal Caribbean bathroom. You've got the pod shower. You've got shower gel inside there with a shower head that you can adjust. And you've got your towels here, you've got the mirror, and you've also got some storage back here. Decent sink area, glass cups, and then you've also got some storage area on the bottom there. And as you enter the room, on the left side, you've got your desk area. You've also got a UK, I believe, plug there. European. You've got some storage on the side of the cabinet. And then you've also got the thermostat. And then on the other side, you've got more storage. And then you've got 2 USA plugs. As you can see, I've got my phone plugged in. You've got storage on either side of the chair. Plenty of space to put your clothes. You've also got more storage up here, and then in this cabinet you've got a small safe. They have changed the safe sizes on this right here. I don't know what you'd be able to, I guess you'd probably better put your wallet and some money in there. No laptop space. Then you've also got your larger television. And then on the bottom cabinet here, you've got a refrigerator. Over on the other side, you've got a 2-seat sofa. And then you've got your telephone, more storage. You've got a light switch on the side of the bed with reading lights, but unfortunately no plug-ins for plugging your phone in beside the bed. On the other side, you've also got more storage space. Now this room is a balcony stateroom, but it also has a giant porthole that allows you to look out, which is a beautiful scene out there. You've got a good bit of space out here. You've got a lounge chair and you can sit out, enjoy the sun. You've got a large table that you can have breakfast or dinner, lunch, and you've also got room for 2 chairs. And then of course, this is your view. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And as always, thank you for tripping with me.